Apple Wallet's new feature, a breath of fresh air for users. Apple's Wallet app has finally listened to its users' pleas. With the release of iOS 26, a highly anticipated setting has made its way into the app, offering a much-needed respite from unwanted promotional notifications. Wallet, your trusted companion on the iPhone, is a hub for managing various essential items like credit cards, car keys, and boarding passes. Typically, notifications from Wallet provide crucial financial updates or travel-related changes. However, earlier this year, Apple's marketing blitz for F1 the movie sent out a Wallet notification offering movie tickets, which sparked a backlash from users. While the movie was a success, the marketing strategy left a sour taste in many users' mouths. Upon receiving the F1 notification, users scrambled to find a way to disable future promotional alerts, only to discover that iOS 18 lacked such an option. But fear not, iOS 26 brings the change we've all been waiting for. To disable promotional notifications in iOS 26, simply open the Wallet app, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner, and navigate to the Notifications menu. Here, you'll find toggles for various notification types, including the newly added Offers and Promotions. By turning this off, you can bid farewell to any unwanted notifications about upcoming movie sequels or other promotions. But here's where it gets controversial: should you embrace these promotional notifications, or is it better to keep them at bay? It's a delicate balance between staying informed and maintaining a clutter-free notification center. What's your take on this? Do you plan to disable these notifications, or do you find value in them? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And this is the part most people miss: iOS 26 also brings a host of other exciting features to enhance your iPhone experience. From improved transaction management to new ways to stay updated, there's something for everyone. So, make sure to explore all the latest enhancements and decide which features best suit your needs. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these new settings wisely, and your iPhone experience will be even more personalized and enjoyable. Check out these must-have iPhone accessories to further enhance your device's capabilities. AirPods Pro 3. AirTag 4-pack, now at a discounted price. MagSafe car mount for iPhone. 10-year AirTag battery case 2-pack. 100W USB-C fast charging power adapter. Stay tuned to 9 to 5 Mac for more exciting iPhone updates and recommendations.